He's like, I'm gonna stop now. Who's got blue eyes? You. You have blue eyes. Do you have long eyelashes? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Yeah. Uh-huh. They're blue. Are they blue? Yeah. Look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. Are they blue? Oh. 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 Did you just have a bath? Are you nice and clean? No? Are you nice and clean? Are you nice and clean? Yes, you're very clean now. Did you get your hair washed? You did.